Hi everyone, this tool has found out especially for you, my valuable subscribers. My name is Satish Jawale. Hi again, welcome back. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to something that really simplifies web scraping. Chat4Data. Think of it as ChatGPT for web scraping. An AI-powered Chrome extension that lets you extract structured data from any website using simple English. No coding required for Chat4Data AI.
What Chat4Data does. Chat4Data turns web pages into a conversation. Say the words, try this, get me product names, prices, images, and links. And instantly, AI highlights these fields, previews the data, and you click to confirm aitoolnet.com, chromewebstore.google.com. It even handles hidden elements like emails or metadata, and multiple pages automatically. Moj, AI, moving forward. Why this matters. Traditional scraping involves coding, XPath, CSS, proxies. It's slow, brittle, and inaccessible to many. Chat4Data makes the whole process 10 times faster, accessible, and easy. Install, chat, scrape, export onlinestool.com. If you're a marketer tracking prices, a researcher gathering contact info, or anyone needing structured data, this is a game changer. Let's do step-by-step demo.
Step 1. Install and set up. Follow me. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Chat4Data, and click Add to Chrome. Sign up for a free account with 1 million free tokens to start chromewebstore.google.com.
Step 2. Activate on a page. Follow me. Navigate to, say, a product listing page. It could be Amazon or a directory. Click the Chat4Data extension icon. A chat window pops up over the page using Chat4Data AI. Step 3. Initial extraction type. Extract product names, prices, and images. The AI auto-detects these elements, highlights items, and you confirm with a click onlinestool.com, chromewebstore.google.com. Step 4. Export data once confirmed. Export to Excel CSV, ready for use immediately to allkitty.com. Step 5. Hidden elements. Try. Also includes seller emails and hidden SKUs. Chat4Data dives deeper into the page and captures those hidden elements using toolkitly.com, moji.ai. Step 6. Pagination. Say, run this on all pages, or next 5 pages, and it auto-scrolls through multiple pages, pulling all structured data,